Alright, so we have set up the answer bot, and the next thing we have to do is we have to make sure that we add resources, that is things like frequently asked questions and stuff like that, so that the answer bot is able to provide sensible answers. Now, one of the things that you already noticed, even as we were looking at the bot in the last video, is that when you type something like hello, you will notice that it comes back with a response. So the answer bot already is able to do some basic chit chat, and this is because it has been configured with small talk. Now let's take a look at small talk first. Back in the SalesIQ admin panel, you'll notice that if you go and click on this, you don't have to click, you just hover your mouse on the resources section. You see that we have these 6 things, and one of them is small talk. Let's go ahead and click on that, and you see that there is something called a default package, and let me click into that also, and you will see that it is actually coming back with responses. If I say hi, it comes back with hello there, and of course these are all very simple phrases the users are often going to start their conversation with. So when somebody says something like good morning, it's going to say good morning back to the user, and you can see that it has some things for thank you, and then so personal inquiry and support, and you also have the sign off where the user says bye. So all these things are you can actually edit this, and you can duplicate it, and then you can edit it. Okay, so the idea is that you modify your small talk package so that it is able to handle these what we call as small talk, when the user is just doing some basic chit chat, and that's sort of the starting point. As you configure your bot, you have to make sure that the small talk is enabled and it is using the default package.